Looking to upgrade your ride instantly? The best seat covers for Ford F250 are here to transform your truck's interior, protect your seats, and add unmatched style and comfort. Links in the description for easy access. So let's start. Number 5. LUCKYMAN Club seat covers are a game changer for F-150 owners. Priced at just $240.98, they offer full coverage for all seats, including headrests and sides. Waterproof faux leather keeps your interior spotless and stylish. Easy installation with a step-by-step guide. Perfect fit for 2015 to 2026 F-150 and also F-250, F-350. Comfortable, durable, and sleek. Upgrade your truck instantly. Don't miss this premium, custom-fit interior upgrade. Number 4. Huidasource full coverage F-150 seat covers are a game changer. Made with premium faux Napa leather, they're waterproof, scratch-resistant, and ultra-comfy. Protect your seats from dirt, pets, and spills effortlessly. Stylish 3D diamond design revives your interior instantly. Perfect fit for 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 and 2017 to 2026 F-250, F-450. Easy to install with flexible straps and hooks. Price starts at just $161.49. Upgrade your truck now and ride in style. Number 3. Coverado car seat covers are a game changer for Ford trucks. Priced at just $140.25, these full-set seat covers provide all-round protection against dirt, dust, and UV rays. Custom fit for 2015 to 2026 F-150, F-250, F-350, and F-450, they stay secure without sliding. Durable faux leather, waterproof and non-slip with handy storage pockets and easy wipe clean design. The full set includes front, back, and console covers, keeping your interior stylish and safe. Perfect upgrade for every Ford owner. Number 2. Rough Country Neoprene seat covers are a game changer for your truck. Custom fit for F-150, Lightning, F-250, and F-350 crew cabs, they provide snug, secure coverage front to rear. Waterproof, breathable neoprene repels spills, stains, and keeps seats cool. Foam padding ensures comfort on every ride. Full coverage protects against kids, pets, and daily messes. Durable, 4-layer construction guarantees long-lasting use. Available now for just $249.95. Don't miss this essential upgrade. Number 1. Carlimeki premium faux leather seat covers instantly upgrade your F-150 interior. Boom! Custom fit for 2021 to 2025 F-150 XL, XLT, STX, and 2023 to 2025 F-250 to F-450 crew cabs. Fully covered, waterproof, and durable faux leather protects seats perfectly. Easy installation, side airbag safe, and sleek carbon fiber texture enhances style. Available now for $237.98, save 15%. Quick to clean, long-lasting, and luxurious. Your truck deserves this upgrade.